Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and this is an MTD Yardman which has a quantum engine on it, which is an older version, an old engine as such. And it come in because the customer was saying it's pouring fuel out the carburettor. So I took the carburettor apart, and it's one of these, the carburettor on it has got a small red rubber seat which a complete metal needle, float needle, sits on, and because it's an old system it's not up to handling ethanol, and basically the seat has deteriorated to the point where no fuel is being stopped. It just lets fuel go past, and it then floods the carburettor and drains the fuel tank. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the carburettor apart, replace the little rubber seat, and then put it back together again and see how it goes, and it should be a nice little runner. Now in this part here you can see there's a nice little shiny circle. Well, what it was is that you had this seat here, and I've took it out because that's what was causing the needle not to sit properly, and I've got a replacement one which I'm going to put into there, into the hole. Now let's zoom out a bit. Now what I'm going to do is I've got a 4.5mm drill bit. I'm going to put a bit of lube into the hole. Now on these there's two sides. You've got one which has got a ridge on it and one which is smooth, and the side which is smooth goes at the top. Now what I'm going to do is try and drop it in there the right way around. There's my little screwdriver. Make sure it's still the right way around, which it is, if you can see. And then I'm just going to push this down on top of it to push it into that metal section. And now you can see that that is now set into there, so now this carburettor shouldn't leak. So let's finish off assembling it. Well, I've reassembled the carburettor, put it onto the machine, put some fuel in it. Now I never top them up, always put enough so there's enough fuel to get down to the float bowl, and no drips yet. Nothing's coming out, because by now I'd have to put a tub underneath it because the fuel was pouring out from here. Okay, let's put the air filter back on. So okay, let's start it. Now on this there's no switches up there. You've got a lever here, tortoise and stop. You've also got a lever at the front, choke and run. So it's on choke, it's on here. Let's give it a pull. Run it up because I've got to change the oil, so I'll leave it here for me a few minutes. So there you are folks, that's how you change a little rubber needle seat on a quantum carburettor. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, hit the like button. If you liked it even more, please hit the like and subscribe, it's much appreciated. So until next video, take care and be safe. Bye.